how to add a video in your Wix website manually. Hello everyone, welcome back my another Wix tutorial. This is the Wix website that I am designing for my current client. This is my current client project actually. So in this video I'm going to share with you how to add a video in the Wix website manually. So to add the video we have to go the Wix website editor and look at that. This is the Wix website editor, and I will add a video in here about us section. Okay, so to add the video we have to go the add elements. So click on add elements, look at that, here is add elements, and then we have to find out the video and music, and from the left side look at that, here is video and music option, and then click on video and music option and single video player, click on single video player, and then look at that upload video, because in this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to add video manually. I mean video upload, how can you upload a video in your Wix website. Okay, so click on video upload, and then look at that, the section already added. Okay, so now I'm going to resize this side. So click on here and resize this. Already I have completed the resize, and then change video, click on the change video. This is the dummy video, I mean this is Wix demo video. So to change this video, actual video, we have to add our actual video. Okay, so now click on change video, and then click on here change video or upload your computer. Okay, so click on change video, and then already I have uploaded a video from here. Look at that, this is the video that I have uploaded. If you don't have upload video, click on upload media, and then you can upload the video from here, from your computer here. Okay, so I would love to add this video from in here. So click on this video, and then add to page. Look at that, here it's on button add to page. Click on add to page, and look at that, the video already uploaded. Look at that, the video already uploaded. Now we can change our video thumbnail actually. Now click on design, look at that, here is on icon design, and then we have to add a thumbnail actually. So we can choose a thumbnail from here and upload from here, but I would love to add a thumbnail from video. So from video, click on here, and then look at that, the thumbnail already uploaded. Okay, so that's the thing actually. Now if I'm going to click on publish, then it will be automatically published. So this is the simple thing to how to add a video manually in your Wix website. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.